In this video, I will show you how to delete Moonton account in Mobile Legends. So let's get right into the video. You first of all need to click on your profile picture in the top left corner. And after that you need to go to Account. And once you did that, you need to click on Account Center. And when you do that, this menu should open up. Now from here, you need to go to Cancel Account. And when you do that, you should be redirected to this. Now from here, you need to read all this. After that, you need to check this box and then click on Next. Now you need to do that once again. And finally, you need to log into your account, and after that it will be deleted. And that's it for this video.